We have done till question 20, and I have sent you the 3 questions that we will discuss later. So in question 21, there are given 5 points A, B, C, D and E. So all 5 distances are equal. So here is given AB equal BC equal CD equal DE. This is the given, and all points are on a straight line, so they are collinear. Now first fill in the blanks. AD equal to AB plus, second fill in the blanks, AD equal to AC plus, third is midpoint of AE, fourth point is midpoint of CE, and fifth point is A equal to dash times AB. Now we are discussing AD equal to AB. This is the AD. Green color we are marking here for AD. And AB is here. So AD equal to AB plus, what we can say, AD equal to AB plus,
Because the first answer is AD equals AB plus BC plus CD.
yes, but there is only one plus, so we can say BD.
Yeah.
Yes, correct. Now second one, AD equal to AC.
AD equals to AC plus CD.
Yes, AC plus CD. Third one, midpoint of AE. Midpoint of AE.
C.
Yes, C, because C have 2 parts on left, 2 parts on right. D
D.
point, midpoint of CE, so CE. Yes, D. One part both side. AE equal to dash times of AB.
4.
1, 2, 3, 4. All 4 parts equal, so we can say this is a 4 times of AB. Correct. Question number 22. There is a given figure. There is a line given. O is the vertex. A is here. B, C, then D. Last one is E. So 30 degree, 20 degree, 40 degree. Last one is also 40 degree. Question first part. Angle AOD
Is equal to acute.
AOD. So A is here, OD. Where is AOD acute? Angle AOD. So this one, and D is here.
Oh.
So first we find the sum, 20 plus 30 plus 40.
This is the right angle.
20 plus 40, 60 plus 30, 90. Yes, this is the right angle. So we fill here right angle. second fill up is angle COA is A oblique and dash angle. COA. Angle COA. C is here.
That's an acute.
Yes, this is 50 degree. So 50 comes under 90, so it is acute angle.
And then the last one has to be obtuse.
And last one is angle AOE. So AOE. So total is 30, 20, 40 and 40. So it is 130, so obtuse, correct. So three types, all three types of angle are covered here in this diagram. Question number 23rd. The number of triangle in the figure in the figure is dash. So there is the figure given, figure number 2.17. So there is two.
Is it 8?
This is the figure. So we can say A means how many number of triangles?
Is it 8?
8. Now can we count?
Yeah.
So first one is
It's AOB.
yes, triangle AOB.
Then ABC.
ABC.
Then we start the B.
Yes.
BCD.
BCD. Correct.
Then BOC.
BOC.
Now we start the
It
C.
is not a triangle BOC. It is a straight line.
Oh.
Because C is here and BOC is not, comes under triangle. Next.
Is COD one? Yeah, COD.
Yes, COD.
CDA.
CDA.
I mean COA, I think. Yeah, COA.
COE. Yes.
The next one is DOA. Wait, no.
CDA. CDA.
Oh yeah. Maybe.
It is.
Maybe D.
It is completed. I think completed.
Yeah.
Look in the diagram. From B, there is the one triangle. Second one, two small, and one big. So three triangles are forming
Yeah.
from B, similar to
That's
from
B already.
similar to COA. COA is
The 6.
similar to here
Yeah.
on the opposite vertex. I think the CDO and COA. COA is two times or not? COD, DCA, COA, ABC, AOP, BCD. BCD is not a triangle. Look. Because from the point D, now the triangle left is two. One is left, this one, another is this one. Only three triangle from the B side and two triangle from the D side. So only five triangles is possible. Answer is 5.
Oh yeah.
Next question, 24th. The number of angles less than 180 degree in, so same figure, the number of angles in the same figure, number of angles less than 180 degree is number of angles less than 180 degrees. So there is the figure. How many angles are less than 180 degree? First one is, this one is less than 180 degree. Less than 180 degree means obtuse angle or acute angle. So how many acute and obtuse are there? So one is at C. C also has two angles on other side also, and third one is also right angle. So three angles forming at C, isn't it?
Yeah.
8 point C, three angles are forming. 8D, fourth angle. Fifth angle is reflex angle. It is more than 180 degree. And at O, there is also fifth angle. Opposite of O, fifth is sixth one, and on the both side of sixth one, seventh and eighth one is also 8 angle. Now ninth one is 8 angle B. Outside is reflex angle. Now 10th one is 8A. So and 11th one is also 8A, and 12th one is also 8A. These are all are less than 180 degree. So total 12 angles is possible that are less than 180 degree. So we can fill here answer 12.
Yeah. Yes.
Correct. Now question number 25. The number of straight angles in, so again same figure, so A, B, C, D, O. Number of straight angle in, the number of straight angle in figure is, so what is the measure of straight angle?
Um,
What is the measure of straight angle?
number of straight angles.
Straight line has how much degree angle?
180.
So straight angle means 180 degrees. So how many 180 degree angles are there in this given figure?
Is that 5?
So one straight angle is here, COB. Another is COB back downward, and one straight angle is AOD on right side, and another one is AOD again on the opposite side. These are the 180 degree lines forming. So 180-degree line is here. See, so there is four straight angles, two on diagonal CB and two on diagonal AD. These four angles are straight angle. There is no one. I think there is fifth one not available. Fifth one is not available. So correct answer we can fill here is 4. So number of straight angle in this figure is 4. Question number 26th. The number of right angles in the straight angle is the number of right angle in straight angle is dash, and that in a complete angle is dash. So number of right angles in a straight angle and number of right angles in the complete angle is so how many right angles are there and how many right angles are there in complete angle as well as straight angle. Do you know? So right angle means 90-degree and complete angle means 180. Straight angle means 180-degree. So how many right angles is there in straight angle? How many 90-degree makes 180-degree?
Yeah.
So 90-degree makes 180-degree. How many right angles make 180-degree? So what are the number of right angles in a straight angle?
Uh, 0.
Why? How you can say 0?
No, 1.
One right angle makes only 90-degree. We have to make 180-degree.
So basically there's only 1 in one straight angle.
One straight angle has how many right angle? So how many number of right angle is there in one straight angle? 180-degree. In 180-degree, how many 90-degree angle are there? In 180-degree, how many 90-degree angles there?
1.
Can you say how you are choosing one?
Uncle, if you see 180 is 90 plus 90.
So yes, 90 plus 90. So 290 are required to make it a straight angle. Two right straight angle are required. So it is not one, it is two answer.
2.
So two right angles makes one straight angle. Now in complete angle, how much? What is the measure of complete angle?
It would be 180 plus 180.
Yes, complete angle means 360 degrees. So how many right angles
Yeah.
is required in the complete angle?
That would be 4 then.
Yes, that's why 4 is the correct answer. 490 is 360. Yes, correct. This question takes too much time. Now question 27th. The number of common points in the two angle the number of common points in two angles marked in figure so there is a figure given. There is a name given A vertex F Q C D B P and E. So number of common points in two angles marked in figure. The number of common points in the two angles marked in figure 2.1. This is the figure given.
Is it 7?
Okay, 7. So could you tell the name of the common points?
Wait, hang on.
The number of common points in the two angles marked in figure is
Wait, is it 3 or is it 4?
so the number of common point in the two angles marked in figure.
Is it 3?
What are the name?
P, P, and Q.
So Q has the number of common points in the two angles marked in figure. So Q is common, yes, two angles. This is the common.
And P?
P is also common, yes. And I think D has only one angle, one is the exterior angle.
Yeah.
So number of common point in the two angles. So if the angle is like X, 1, 2, they makes one pair. Similarly, 2 and 3, they makes one pair. Similarly, 3 and 4, they makes one pair. Then 1 and 4, adjacent angle. These are adjacent angle. So I think 2 is the answer. D is not having two angles. A is not having two angles. So number of common points in the two angles marked
Yeah.
in the given figure. Question 28. I am sending you. So question is the number of common point in the two angles marked in figure is dash. So there is the figure given. So here is vertex A, then E, then D, B, A, C, C. So number of common point in the two angles. There is a ang this is the common for two angle. two adjacent angle are and similarly two angles, the number of common points. So 1. Answer is 1. A point name is A.
Okay, no.
The number of common points in the two angles, this is the number, NO number, short form. So the number of common points in the two angles marked in figure. So here is A. That is the common point for all angles. There are how many angles? 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the adjacent angles. 1, 2, 2, 3. These are adjacent angles. So common point is asking, so it is 1. Correct?
Yeah.
Common point. Question 29th. The number of common point in the two angles marked in figure. Similar statement. And there is figure given A, B, P, Q, B, D, C, F. So the number of common point in the two angles marked in figure.
Um, Q,
Yes. Q,
um,
where is the Q? Q is not their name. The number of,
yeah, Q's in there.
yes, number of common points in two angles. Marked in figure is. So how many common points? I think previous one was not correct. So how many common points in this figure? So these are the intersecting points. So first angle is this one that starts from A. Another angle is B, starts from B, that is this one. So they are intersecting here, here, here. So three common points is there. These 3 points.
Yeah.
So these are the common.
QP,
These are the three common points. Yes, there is the Q. Q, P. Yes.
so QP and
R.
R.
Yes. R, Q, and P. So three. Answer is 3. That's why the number of common points is asking. So 3 points is common. In previous one, 28th one, there is also question asking common points. The figure was how many common points in question 28. So two angles are given. This one. So how many common points is there between two angles? So this start from both angle are starting from A. So that's why they have one common point. They are intersecting. They have no other way they are cutting, like this 29th question. So these two angles, this is only meeting, this is the A point, so they are meeting at the one point only, so they have one point common. 29th and 28th are similar. Now 30th question is also similar. Question 30. The diagram is the points are so many points: O, A, D, E, B, G, P, R, F, and C. Question saying the number of common points in the two angles marked in figure. So marked is here and at O. The number of common points in the two angles marked in figure. How many common points in this figure? See the two angle. First one is on downward opening, this angle, and second one is this. So they are, how many intersecting point is there? We count. This is the first point, this is the second point, third point, fourth point. So for these 4 points D, E, F, G. So 4 points are common, isn't it?
Yeah.
Next 31st question number. So common points is asking. So common points means these intersect. This is the angle A, this is the angle O. Angle A and O are meeting at D. Angle A and O are meeting at E. So similarly G and F. So 4 points are there. So we can fill here answer 4 as common point between these two angles O and A. Question number 31. In question 31 there is A, C, B and D. There are vertex given. So common part between the two angles BAC and DAB. So we have to find out the common part between the two angles BAC and DAB is so the common part between the two angles BAC. So where is the BAC angle? This one is BAC and another is DAB. So DAB. Could you tell what is the common part in BAC and
Um, um, the common part is
you are looking the AB is this ray AB is coming in the angle BAC as well as in DAB.
yeah.
You can
These
identify.
one.
Yes, you can identify the letter name AB, and it start from and we going into the direction of arrow. So this is the AB, ray AB, ray A. So ray AB are coming
So
in
that
both.
is AB.
Ray AB is coming in both the angles, angle DAB as
So
well as
two.
angle CAB. So AB is the common part between the two angles. So here we write ray because this is the ray, not AB only. Ray AB. Ray AB can be written as also A to B, or we can write ray AB. Both way is correct. So this AB is coming common because first angle is in this way and second angle is in this way. So if we put this part of ray on this, so that in that way the two angles will come adjacent to each other. Adjacent means nearer to each other. So the DAB angle and BAC angle has common part, that is AB. Its name is AB. So we can touch both the ray AB and it makes this type of angle. Next question 32 is related with true or false. True false type question. A horizontal line and a vertical line always intersect at right angles. A horizontal line and vertical line, a horizontal line and vertical line always intersect at right angle. Is it true or false? So the horizontal line means x-axis. X-axis means like copies line. In your notebook or copies, you see these lines. These are horizontal lines.
Yeah.
And vertical lines. Vertical lines means just
Red.
cutting at right angle to these lines. These lines are, this line, black line is vertical line. So this red line is horizontal line and this black line is vertical line. So horizontal line and vertical lines always intersect at right angle. So they makes always 90-degree angle. So 90-degree angles means right angle. So this one is true statement. T4 true. Correct?
Yeah.
Okay, next B part. Now question number continue is there. After 32 next is 33. If the arms of an angle, if the arms of an angle on the paper are if the arms of an angles are on the paper are increased, the angle increases, the angle increases. If the arms of an angle on the paper are increased, the angle increases. Is it true or false?
False.
So, do you know meaning of this statement? Look, in the angle there are two arms. This one is arms, and we name it OA and OB are two arms. Okay. If we increase if if we increase the angle between the two arms, at this time the angle is BOA. Okay, this is the BOA angle. If we increase this angle, that means OB, we are moving on the other side, so increasing angle is there. So in that case the angle value is increased or not? This is O, this is B, this is A. So if we increase the arms, if we the arms of an angle on paper are increased, the angle value is increasing. So in the second figure, is the angle value is more or not if we increase the arms?
Yes.
So this is the not false, because arms, if angle of arms is increased, then angle value is also increased in the paper. So
Yes.
that's why it is true. Next come to 34th. The question is, if the arms of an angle on paper are decreased, the angle decreases. Just opposite to this one. If arms of an angle are decreases, the angle decreases. Would you say about this one? Is it true or false?
That's true.
Yes, arms if we decrease, it means the angle is in this way at this time. If we decrease the angle value by moving the arm, so in that case angle's value is become smaller than previous one. If we decrease the arm, so that's why it is true. Question 35. If line PQ parallel line M, if line PQ parallel line M, then line segment PQ parallel M, then line segment PQ parallel M. If the line is parallel to line, if PQ, line PQ is parallel to, suppose this is the line PQ, in capital letter we write two letters at a time for one line. So line PQ is parallel to line M. This is the line. For a small letter we use one letter for represent the name of line. So PQ, this line PQ is parallel to this line M.
Yeah.
So both the line PQ and line M are parallel. This is the given. So if we take the part of the line, only part of the line, that means line segment. Part of the line, that means line segment. So line segment PQ, suppose, is there, and line segment M is there. So are they equal? Are they parallel or not? So question is saying, if the line PQ parallel line M, then line segment PQ is parallel to M.
I think so. Yeah.
So whole line is yes, whole line is parallel. Then part of the line is also parallel, because the parallel does not change with time, with length. Parallel does not change with length. So if we take a smaller length of this whole line, then they are also are in parallel. So that's why it is true. Next question number 36th. The question is two parallel lines meet each other at some point. Two parallel line meet some point at two parallel line meet each other at some point. True or false? Two parallel lines meet each other at some point. These are two parallel lines. They meet each other at some point. Is it true?
That's false.
Yes, correct, false.
Because that's why it's called parallel.
Yes, they never intersect, they never touch, and they extend in both direction till infinite. They never intersect each other. They have equal gaps between equal distances between them. So that's why they are parallel, called parallel. So it is false. Question 37. Measure of M for measure. A measure of angle ABC and angle CBA in figure are same. Are same. So this is given angle ABC. Measure of angle ABC and CBA are in figure same. Is it true?
Um, yeah, that's true.
So yes, correct, true. ABC angle also indicate this start from A and going to B then C. And CBA angle also is same angle. It starts from C and going to B then A. So CBA and ABC are indicating same angle. So they are same. So this one is true. There is not any difference because the common arms of both the angle are on coincide each other. Next question 38th. Two line segments may intersect at 2 points. Two line segments may intersect at 2 points. Can you say is it true or false? Two line segment may intersect at 2 points.
That's true.
Could you tell me when two line segment means two part of the line, that is this is the first line segment, name it PQ, and another is suppose XY, two line segment. How many, if they intersect, then how many points are common? At how many points they can intersect? So if PQ, suppose PQ intersecting with XY, then how many intersecting points? At this time PQ, at
Is
this,
it all of them?
this is the one intersecting point we
Yeah,
obtained.
one.
So question is saying two intersecting point is there. If the
Oh.
if the two line segment intersect, then only one intersect point we obtain. If the 3-line segment is given, 3 means triangle. This is the first line segment, this is the second line segment, this is the third line segment. If 3 lines intersect each other, then the 3 points we obtained. So 2 points it does not obtained by 2 line segment. They gave us only 1 point, that is called intersection point. So this is false. That's why it is false. Question number 39. 39 has done. 40. Only one line can pass through a given point. Only one line can pass through a given point. Is it true or false? Only one line can pass through a given point.
Um, um, that's false.
So what is the correct answer?
It's meant to be true.
No, if we this is the false statement.
I think how many lines there are?
So only one line can pass through a given point. This is the point. Suppose point O. How many line can we draw from this point O? How many possible lines? Suppose this is the first line. This is the second line. This is the third line that passing from point O. This is the fourth line that is passing from point O. Fifth line and sixth line. How many line maximum we can pass? How many lines can pass through point O?
Two.
Infinite. You can see this is the first line. Infinite line can pass through one point. But only 2 points is given, then only one line can pass. But only 1 point is given, in that case different direction, and at so many line can we draw. So infinite. So question is saying only one line can pass through a given point. That's why it is false. Next question 41. Two angles can have exactly 5 points in common. Two angles can have exactly 5 points in common. Is it true or false? Two angles can have exactly 5 points in common. Two angles can have exactly 5 points in common. True or false? So two angles. Suppose this is the first angle, red angle, and second one is black angle. Second one is black angle. This is not angle now. So two angles are there. If we make them common, then we can say the red part comes on this line and they are now common. Is it clear? So first
Yeah.
is initial point, second is final point. So 2 points is common for the two angles. So this point and these 2 points are common. If we join them, they forms this angle. So two angles for two angles can have exactly 2 points in common. That's why it is false. So it is false. It is not true. It is false. True false question.
Yeah.
Next question number 42. Name all the line segment in figure. Name all the line segment in figure. There is a given line segment A, B, C, D, E. Name all the line segment in the figure.
Um.
So come to first line segment.
11.
Yes, you are telling 11. Okay, we can check. Name them. Name them. Names. Question.
So we first do A. So A B.
Yes.
Then A C.
Yes.
A D.
Yes.
A E.
Yes. So from
Then we
A.
do B.
Yes, from A there is four line segment. Now B.
B C.
B C.
D D.
B D.
D E.
B E. There is three line segment. Yes, correct. Now come to C.
C. C D.
Yes,
C E.
correct. Two. Next come to D.
D E.
Yes, 1. So 4 plus 3, 7 plus 2, 9 plus 1, 10. Why you are telling 11?
Oh wait, I calculated wrong.
Yes, you are correct, but by nearby you can say 11 is wrong, 10. Okay, only addition problem is there. Okay. So name all the line segment in the figure. So name we can say, and the number is 10. So in this way we have done 42 question. Question number 9 is, there is a given angle, one straight line, and angles is given. So on this angle there is the angle given 20 degree, 45 degree, 65 degree, and 30 degree. So question is saying find the number of obtuse angle in. The number of obtuse angle in. Can you tell again?
I said 2.
Okay, 2. Still you are at 2. Now look the obtuse angle in this figure. So obtuse angle, first obtuse angle means more between 90 to 180. Is it clear? Between 90,
Yeah.
90 to 180 degree. So between 90 means first obtuse angle we can say, tell the 30 plus 65. This is
Oh wait, there's 3. Is it 3?
yes, it is. So 30 plus 65 is 90.
And then you can see the 20 plus 65.
Yes, 20 plus 45 plus 65.
Yeah.
That is also,
And on the other side as well.
yes, this is 130. Now third one is 45 plus 65. This makes 110. And we can say 30 plus 65 plus 45 also.
Yeah.
The number of obtuse angle, yes, we can add. There is no limit, only taken two angle at a time. It is not given. So it is 110 plus 140 and 45 we have taken, yes. All angles, all obtuse angle we have taken. So four is possibility.
Yeah.
Four obtuse angle we obtained from this figure. That's why it was not correct. Now I think you can understood it.
Yeah.
Okay, question number 10. The number of triangles. So there is a given figure. We have to identify number of triangles. How many triangles are there? The figure is given. How many triangles are there? We can say the name first. How many triangles are there? So from at vertex C, we can say the smaller triangle we can consider is CFG, then CEG, then this CFE also one. Then on the bottom side, DFG, then another is DEG, then next one is FED, and bigger one is DCF, and on other side is DCE, and similarly this AFD, other one is DBE,
Yeah.
so total 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. You tick the correct answer 12 instead of 10.
Oh.
So 10 is the correct answer. Number of triangle is 10. Number of triangle is 10 in this figure. That's why it is incorrect. Next, question number 14.
Oh wait, it's two.
If 14 is the number of isosceles triangle in the figure is there is the right angle triangle type given figure, and the number of isosceles triangle, the number of,
Is it two?
so what you mark the answer?
Four.
4. Okay, we can count. Since there is given AB equal to BC, first the name. Since there is given AB equal to BC, AD equal to AD equal to BD equal to CE. So there is, look the isosceles triangle. This is the isosceles triangle, name is BCD. triangle BCD. This is isosceles triangle because BD and DC are equal. And second one isosceles triangle is ADB because AD equal to DB. So second isosceles triangle is this one. And third one is ABC also. Triangle ABC. Because there is given AB equal to AC. AB equal to BC. This is the given. So isosceles means two sides of triangle should be equal. This is called isosceles triangles definition. So two sides are equal. This type of triangle in this figure is 3. Two are small and one is bigger one. Bigger one is also isosceles because AB equal to BC is given. So isosceles means two sides equal. That's why there is 3 possible isosceles triangle in figure.
Okay.
So in this way we have done